I hate it when I do that. I'm sorry. I'm here. Okay, so here's all that matters. Okay, we're seeing Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down again today. Some leverage got flushed again today. And here's what I was saying. Like I said in yesterday's YouTube video, I think 67K was the top for the month, and we're going to have a mini crab market for the rest of the month and close above Plan B 63,000 level. That's all that matters. I know it's frustrating. We crossed that all-time high, and it's like off to the races, but then it's like, hold on, not yet. And everyone got greedy. Everyone got greedy and got long on leverage, and then they had to get flushed. It is what it is. So what's going on with XRP? Everything's down. Well, not everything. I mean, Solana's up. Solana's about to break that all-time high. Polkadot's looking great. Man, remember when I said to buy Polkadot when it was at $12? Luna's looking good. Algo's looking good. I mean, there's some things looking good today. It's just Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down. So, XRP's running. Oh, it's at $1.11. Okay, it's flat. All right. When will ADA take off? Not soon. Not yet. It will. It will take off. But all right, hey guys, I'm gonna go live on TikTok here. So give me 1 second to get set up. And good morning, everyone. By the way, good morning. Good to see you all. I am set. All right. You know the drill. I will prioritize the YouTube chat. I do remember the Polkadot call. There we go. ETH 10-year prediction. Man, I'm not a huge fan of doing that. Smash up that like button, by the way. But ETH 10-year prediction, over 100,000. So what's up, Hadisk? Good morning, Kevin Layton and Asaid. I am live on YouTube right now. So if you want for sure your question to be answered, that's your best choice. That's going to be your best option. So give me 1 second. All right, I am set up. Bitcoin update. We're fine. We are going to have a mini crab market till the end of the month. I do believe that. So should I panic and sell before it dips more? Do not panic. Oh my goodness. I just made a TikTok about that. Why would you sell now? I mean, all right, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but this is not how bull runs end. It's really, oh man, it's frustrating to have to answer that question at $61,647 when I was answering that question at $29,000 and I'm maybe your future is cryptocurrency. I'm probably not giving you enough credit. What's up from Morocco, M. Dico? What's up, Nick Guy? So yeah, do not panic. I mean, really, that might have been a joke. So will Doge hit $1 by January? I think so. How do we know if it's alt season? You'll see alts pumping, Ethereum and then probably Litecoin and then some major caps and then some smaller caps. So will SHIB drop another zero? Yeah, it might. Yeah, I could see that. Can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen. There we go. Jimmy Smith, what's up? Yeah, Abe, we are crabbing. I am not. The only thing that's going to make me worried is if we go into the 50s and then we close the month in the 50s. I'd be a little bit nervous at that time. Otherwise, we're good. We're good in the 60s. All of my goals for this month have been reached. So what's up, Ali Saeed from TikTok, top of the morning, Max Powers, dumped 5K and AMP on a low yesterday. Okay, I mean, you'll do well. Best alt to put 1,000 right now. Listen, I've been saying Litecoin for a while. I'm still saying Litecoin. Yes, we're in a bull market. Toronto, okay. What's a crab market? Crab just going sideways till the end of the month. I think we're just going to go sideways till the end of the month. What do you think about T-King cryptocurrency? I don't know anything about T-King. What's up, Laszlo Memes? Bought some more ETH at 4K. I think that'll go well for you. So ADA price prediction, $8. Thank you, Leon. Litecoin prediction for January, $1,500. Alex, are you still predicting ADA to 8 and VeChain to $1? VeChain to 50 cents. Good morning, Roshan. Have I heard of IOTA? Yes, I have. I've done some research on it. I don't have any price predictions, but I am bullish. So picked up another 10 Litecoin. All right. Do you believe Bitcoin will go to an even lower level before it shoots up? It could. Listen, I think we're going to close at about $63,000, which is Plan B's stock to flow price. Yeah. ETH price prediction, 15,000. Permission.io, nothing. VXV, $100. Quant does what Quant does. It's really hard to predict. So Telcoin, no idea. I know it's at like 1.8 cents or something like that, maybe 10 cents or so. Listen, we're at about, I think we have a 4x left in us for the entire crypto market cap. So some will X more, some will X less. So do you still think Cake is still a good play for staking? Yes, definitely. So yeah, Connor, I'm early today. I'm not going to be on very long because my wife is going on a women's retreat with our church, and I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. I'm at home with the kids all weekend. So good morning opinion on Evergrande. I'm not worried about Evergrande. I've never been worried about Evergrande. All right, so caught some IOTA yesterday. Excellent. What would you say is a risky alt that you could throw $1,000 in? Look at the smallest cap coins, any of the 10 smallest cap coins on Coinbase. A lot of those will pump. Harmony, I have no idea for price predictions. Can I stay Cake on KuCoin? I don't think so. Not stuck. Something's not stuck. I'm not sure what you're saying. Yeah, I mean, you could stake it on PancakeSwap. So everyone seems to be talking about IOTA on TikTok. Ooh, hey guys, let's talk about this. All right, IOTA. Do you think it's good to get into since it's probably paid advertising? That's a great question. It is paid advertising. If you see any influencer making a video about IOTA, it's paid advertising. I want to be clear with you about that. Thank you for reminding me about that. The blockchain boy in this Telegram group that I'm with him, with Crypto Wendio, with BitBoy Crypto, there's like 30 of us. The blockchain boy posted that I think he made a video about IOTA and calling them out for doing paid advertising, and they got pissed at him. So it was pretty funny. So I mean that would make me want to. That means they're going to rug pull. At the end, they're going to rug pull. So I mean, I own some IOTA. I'm not worried about it, but that's pretty annoying. Bitcoin has dropped. Should we be worried? No, you should be greedy. Thoughts on Happy? All right, so the crypto weatherman talked about Happy yesterday, HAPI, and says that it's due for a pump just like Lossless. I'm with crypto weatherman. That could be a very good one, although it did pump pretty well yesterday. So have I heard of LCX? Yes. I don't own any. I don't pay attention to it all that much. HBAR to $2. How many X left for Solana, do you think? A little less than 3X. It's just been running a ton lately. So yeah, smash that like button. Thank you, Abe. Phantom higher, no price prediction, 500 into Litecoin or XRP. I'd say Litecoin just because of the SEC suit. So I know it's not crypto. Thoughts on DWAC? I'm not sure what that is. Missed some opportunities to invest in ETH. Do you foresee a good dip in the next bear? Yeah, I think ETH is going to go lower than here in the next bear market. So Shiba, I think, has a 3X. Do I like Voyager's token? Yeah, I do. It hasn't done much lately, but I like Voyager a lot. So when new Bitcoin all-time high in November? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch my most recent YouTube video, no, wait, not that one. Never mind. This is an old screenshot. The one that is more recent than this one, the Bitcoin reaches new all-time high. I think that $47,000 or $67,000 was the top for October, and that we will break through that high in November. So let's see, VXV to $100. Have you ever been offered paid advertising? Guys, I've been offered so much paid advertising. If I took the offers, I would have probably made about $200,000, maybe even more than that. But I said no to every offer for paid advertising, except, I'm going to be honest with you, I got a company that handles crypto taxes reached out to me and offered me to do some paid advertising, but I'm gonna make 3 TikToks, and I am using them as my crypto tax people. So I've looked into them, and I love what I'm doing with that. So just so I will be clear that that's paid advertising. That is my first ever paid advertising. I'm not getting a ton of money, but I'll get some referrals from people who sign up and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, I've gotten a lot of paid advertising offers. I bought some Litecoin. Thanks to you. Thank you, Dro. Happy to hear you talking about church and family so much. Think we would be friends? Probably, Joseph. Yeah, I like people. What will Litecoin get up to by the end of the year? In January, $1,500. ETH dip and bear lower than the last dip of 1750-ish. No, I don't think so. Why did you refuse so many? Because it was a bunch of meme coins, man. I mean, I got offered one time. crypto taxes is very important. I got offered $8,000 to promote a cryptocurrency, and I said no. That was probably the biggest offer I ever got. I owe you tax. Let's see, 50 people and only 8 likes, something's not adding up. Roshan, yeah, so for those of you on TikTok, thank you, Nunez. I'm live on YouTube. I am able to respond to every question on YouTube as of right now, but not on TikTok. So let's see, XRP prediction, $8 to $10. XYZ, what? Okay. DWAC started $9 this morning, reached $157 today. Don't chase green candles. Thank you, Slice of Butter. $8 for Matic. Bought Litecoin. Excellent OC Pet Doctor. Have you ever taken out a loan against crypto? I haven't, but I will. Shiba, again, Shiba, 3x or so from here. Omi, I'm very bullish on Omi. No price predictions. Algo, I do like Algo. I think $7 still. When am I coming to Australia? Yeah, maybe when the government leaders in Australia stop being so crazy, I'll take a visit to Australia. NKN, don't know enough. May add more or not. I think now's the time to add, man. So thoughts on FTX Exchange. What's his name? Radix, I don't know enough, sorry. The guy, Sam Friedman. Seems like he knows what he's doing. So I don't use the FTX exchange, but I may get into it in the future. Lossless, stay away from Lossless for like a few more days or a couple weeks or something like that. Lossless had its pump. A lot of people sold. A lot of people I know sold. So, it's one of those things. It's just wait for a little bit because Lossless will go higher. Do you think ETH has topped for October? I do, yeah. I didn't think it was going to cross its all-time high until November. And it didn't cross its all-time high. It reached its all-time high in October and then got rejected really hard there. Really hard. Should I get ETH? I think so, yeah. How far do you think Bitcoin will fall before the beginning of November? Not much. I don't think much lower than here. I mean, I think we'll see it in the 60s. Maybe under 61,000, but if it were to get under 60,000, I am so confident that whales are going to scoop that up unbelievably aggressively. They'll be, thank you very much. And they're going to ride that thing to the top. So do you look at VRA? You think it'll hit $1 this run? I have looked at VRA. I don't own any. I don't know where VRA is right now. I think it's going to do a 10x at least. So, that's what I was thinking. Isaiah, excellent. Trias, I don't know enough. Yeah, Matic, $8. When do you think VXV will hit its peak? That's a good question. I don't know. VXV has never had a bear market to go through, so we don't have that much data, but probably, I would think January. How much will Lossless go up to? I don't know. Which crypto exchange platform is good to use? I like Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749 to get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. All right, I lost 30% on VXV, but are you still bullish? Do you think it will recover? Yes. MS, November is the time. November is the time for alts. So ICP price prediction, maybe $200 or $300. Link to 200, I think more like 100, but it's within the realm of possibility. Yeah, I don't do quant predictions, Jose. Sorry, I don't do quant predictions, but higher. Quant does what quant does. VeChain to 50 cents. Hex, is it a scam? Is it not? I'm still trying to figure that out. Yeah, what happened to VeChain? It's still alive. It'll be fine. The money you help people make. Great to see you take a decent paid advertisement. Thank you. That's coming in November. Yeah. And I'll be honest, I'll tell you all of you. So made 30% on Rune. Gonna rebuy. Okay. Luis Pablo Fernandez. I'm worried. Good. You know what? Because of the fact that you're worried, I'm excited. I am excited that you are worried. We got to a mini euphoria stage. We are nowhere near the end. Watch my second most recent TikTok. Like the people aren't transferring money to exchanges or transferring Bitcoin to exchanges in order to sell. And even if they were doing that, then we would have an alt season. Got you, Duncan. Yes, I do. Sambo, yes, sir. All right. Chainlink target price $100. Had TRX for 2 years. Drop it or just keep hodling. TRX will go up. I'm just, sell it all at the end. Sell it all at the end. I'm not a fan of Tron. Justin Sun, anything that he does, I just don't support him. It's getting better. 50K possible right now as a correction. I don't think so. I don't think we're going down to 50K. Best Oracle token other than Link. Oh man, no comment. Let's see. Do you think XRP will miss this bull run? No, I think it'll go up, but it would definitely have gone up higher if the SEC suit wasn't happening. VXV high for this cycle only. Yeah, this cycle only for $100. Thoughts on LPT and OMG? Are they breaking up? I don't know. AMP X. Do you mean AMP? What's AMP X? Let's see. I'm going broke every time I think I have my portfolio set. There's always something new. Keep buying the dip. Yeah. Thoughts on VeChain, 50 cents. What to buy now? All right. So I think it's going to be a mini crab market. I think alts and I think alts in general are going to bleed, or they're going to either be flat or they're going to bleed for the rest of the month. But November is going to be a great month for alts. Why the heck doesn't rise? What? AMP price in January, 50 cents or something. What does the TA say about quant? I don't know. Quant has some weird TA. It's like it pumps and then consolidates and pumps and consolidates. It can't do that forever. So HBAR and Solana at end of this year in January, $2 and $600. When you talk about your price predictions, are you talking about November, December, or about 24, 25? I would say December, January. So do you trade using the Gargan? No, I don't. Any dip or pullback soon? I mean, we've seen the dip. I think we're close to a bottom. Let's see. What do you mean by November being the month for alts? Thought it was going to be January. November will be a month for alts, and January will be the month for alts, in my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm going to sell as soon as my friends start asking me how to buy. Yes, sir. Bagir, Alexander the Accurate. Am I still refusing to get vaccinated? I love it when people say the word refuse. Yes, sure. I'm refusing to get vaccinated. All right, no more comments about that. Link price prediction, $100. Refuse. I have such a crap detector. What's up, parabolic signals? When people use a word like refuse, it's like heated language. I just can't stand it. Adverbs. I hate adverbs. I hate adverbs more. Like I have an irrational hatred for adverbs. Anyway. Litecoin top before Bitcoin in 2017. Any thoughts? I don't think it's going to be Litecoin. I think it's going to be Cardano. So Quant looks weak. Nah, Quant's just holding pretty well diversified. I just don't have enough money invested. I only got like 2.6K. Work your butt off, beat boop, and come back. You know, what's that? A verb? Adverb. Anything that ends in ly. You know, you are ridiculously stupid. You know, you could just say you're stupid, but you have to add that it's heated. So adverbs. Plan B crash versus your estimate. What plan B crash? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Smart to take profits now and then buy dips. No, this is the dip. It was smart to take profits on Tuesday of this week, not now. Malik, all right. Cake price prediction, $100. You're not the first person I've heard that say that about Justin Sun. What am I missing about him? Justin Sun rug pulled Tron really hard when it was launched. He describes a verb. Okay. What am I thinking? Okay. Yeah, he just rug pulled Tron really hard. Rune to 100, 200, I don't know. Thoughts on Wild? I don't have any predictions for Wild, or I don't know what Wild is. Easy solution to this. Why isn't it going up talk? Set your coin 360 times in 30 days rather than 1 day. I didn't know you could do that. Okay. Will BTT ever hit $1? No, I don't think so. Anything about ITC? I don't know what ITC is. Is ETH set to go parabolic? In November and then in January, it's going to go up. Yeah, there's no plan B crash. Yeah, we're closing the month above $63,000. I'd say now is a great buying opportunity. Charting 20 trillion total market cap this cycle. How do you see? 20 trillion. I really hope you're right. I don't think so. I think more like 10 trillion. So are we crashing right now? No. I mean, we're dipping. This is leverage. Okay, this is the problem with leverage trading, is that we have this insane volatility. It just happens. So ZIL to $1, I don't know. Yes, ZIL to $1. Why the heck, am I still bullish on XRP? In general, yeah, I'm bullish. Why the heck Cardano doesn't rise? My portfolio is 50% ADA and holding. ADA just has its own unique pumps. I mean, ADA is up 100x in the last year or year and a half or something like that. It's like, chill, it'll be fine. Why don't I want to talk about SHIB? Guys, SHIB is garbage. That's why I don't want to talk about it, okay? But I think it'll 3x or so. I mean, you're talking about a coin that has an 11x, is 11th in market cap. I mean, it's not going to go that much higher. You guys are probably thinking it's going to go to a penny. No, it's not going that there's no way it's going to 100x. That's a $5 trillion market cap. Anyway, I refuse to be poor. Yeah, cake price prediction $100. Lolly, lolly, lolly. Get your adverbs here. Okay. Should I convert ETH to AMP? Maybe a little bit. So yeah, ADA is going to blow up. Just wait. If you want SHIB, just get $300 and set it and forget it. You're going to cry. Okay. Do you still think ZIL would go to $1.30? Yeah, sure. BZRX, don't know enough. XDB, don't know enough. Will you accumulate bounce in bear market? I'm not buying any crypto for the first year in the bear market, but after that, I have a bear market plan that I'm putting in order. And I'm putting together a course. I worked hard on the course yesterday, and I'm still going to work on it. So XLM, $2 to $3. Biggest alt bag, Ethereum. Do you think Doge can hit $1? Yes, I do. Thoughts on predictions on Solana, $600. SHIB and Doge are garbage too. Yeah, Doge is garbage. But it's not a fake out. No, we don't. This is not a fake out. Cake to 100. Did I hear that correctly? Yes. Any comments on Quant? Quant does what Quant does. Quant's a beast. It's the honey badger. So are you only in Litecoin for the short term? Yes, I am. I'm going to dump all of my Litecoin at the end. Sent ETH to a different wallet using ERC20 and lost about 30% of the holding. Oh, no. Oh, sorry, Bagheer. When you think small alt will pump, end of November or so. Would you recommend taking a loan out in your 401k and putting it into your market? If so, how would you diversify your money? I would not do that right now, Anthony. I would do that in the bear market, but not right now. Some good NFT buying opportunities as well, especially the blue chip projects. Yeah, I'm thinking through an NFT buying strategy for the bear market. So which large caps have the biggest upside? Litecoin. And here's my thinking. I need to refine this, and I would love any bit of help you can give me on this. I want to see the floor price go down, and I want to see a community that is still vibrant. Those two things. What has the lowest floor price from its peak, and what has the most vibrant community? That is the NFT I'm going to buy in the bear market. Will BTT... This dude did not just say Litecoin. I said Litecoin. I'm sticking with that. Watch my pinned video on TikTok about Litecoin. Will BTT hit $1? Yes. Solana to 1K, it's possible, but I don't think so. Yeah. SHIB to a penny once Robinhood joins? No. Vet IOTA H-bar Chili's will make me 3 to 5x this bull run and good to buy now. Yeah, I think you would get a 3 to 5x with that bag. So H-bar high in November. Man, 60, 70 cents or so, maybe. All right, Doc, I'm only 16. I started working my butt off because of crypto. 70% of my pay goes to crypto. That's awesome. I wish people more had a mindset of that. When do you think Link in Litecoin will pump? Litecoin at the end. No, I mean, Litecoin will do well in November. I think that's going to be one of the first ones to run, in the middle of November. And then in January as well. In January, it'll do well. So when will alts pump hard? November and January. So can you give us your referral code again for Voyager? ALE749. ALE749. Whom do I look up to in the crypto world? Look up to. That's an interesting question. I don't know. I mean, all right. My favorite YouTuber is the blockchain backer. Why do I keep disappearing on TikTok? Thoughts on Trias? Don't know enough. Just bought another 10K of Bitcoin. What an opportunity before the pump. That's the attitude. Like, I'm seeing Bitcoin under $61,000. I am holding everything within me from ending this live stream and going on Voyager and buying more crypto. I'm just now going to invest in crypto. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin or look for other coins? CS International, I don't think it's too late to buy crypto right now, but I'm scared to talk about SafeMoon. That's hilarious. SafeMoon might be dead. What do you think about Trump's new social media? I haven't looked into it. I don't think it's going to do anything special. So, but right now, any purchases should be short term. It should be short term buying opportunities, not long term. So sell at the top. Try at least. I bought 4K at $66. Think we're going parabolic. You bought 4K of what at $66? And I'm probably not gonna read your next comment. So yeah, referral code for the Voyager app, ALE749. Yeah, Trash don't know enough. Oh man, I'm so far behind. Litecoin ended the year prediction in January, $1,500. How much money should I save for the bear market? As much as possible. You could legitimately 100x in the bear market. I don't think I'm going to, but you could. So 4K of Bitcoin at 66,000, thinking we're going parabolic. All right, so you've seen a 10% dip. That's like a normal thing. So do you think it's time to go all in or hold some stable coins? I think now is a great time to buy. Theta or T Fuel. T Fuel seems to be doing better. Double top fake. Nope. I am as convinced as I can be without saying 100%, because I never say 100% that this bull run is not a double top. The metrics, you've got to watch my second most recent TikTok, guys. Like, on-chain analytics are what people are doing right now. They are buying this dip. They're saying thank you very much for this dip, and they are buying and taking it off of exchanges. So thank you, because I'm about to do the same thing as soon as I get off this live stream. You chased a green candle. Yeah, Jacob Morton, absolutely right. When is short-term bear market in your opinion? December short-term bear market? I'm not sure what you mean by short-term bear market. I mean, I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December. I have $100 to spend on crypto right now. What's a good alt you suggest? Torn between ETH, ADA, One, and Litecoin. I'd say Litecoin. Thoughts on IOs and VRA? I'm very hopeful about IOs in the future. I don't know. I mean, the Omni app, I don't know if it's been launched yet. I'm on the waiting list for that. VRA, I think, will do very well. What will you buy on Voyager? Litecoin. How long will next bear market last? It'll last until the next halving, for the most part. But Bitcoin will bottom out a year after the next peak. Let's see. Yes, those are good metrics to look at for an NFT. Also ones that didn't dip too hard, that weathered storms, such as Quant does in the crypto asset space. Good to know. Yeah, good comment. Due to the fact that the whole SEC stuff about XRP has been extended for 2 months, do you really think there will be a bull run for XRP? I think it'll pump. I think that there's going to be a run regardless of things going on. So amp to 49 cents. Yeah, there we go. Price prediction for one. I don't have one. Sorry. Clima. I don't know anything else about that. Pablo Herman. Okay. I don't know. TA says that we'll hit 48K before reaching all-time high. That just doesn't sound right to me, man. No, I'm not with you on that. ETH to 10K at least. Yeah. What's going on with this dip? Buy ETH and Doge. Buy. Man, you guys, I love how scared you are, because that makes me I didn't expect for this level of fear to be in the market at this point in the month, especially when 2 days ago we hit an all-time high, So thank you. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. All right, made 25% on fund stock in 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. What crypto to buy with a profit? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Sorry. When you say short term, you mean till January. Yes, I do. Bitcoin tanking hard. Oh no, Leroy Jenkins. Oh, if you have 2 coins to hold for 2 years, which Bitcoin and Ethereum? Would you classify HBAR and VET as mid cap or low cap? They're definitely not low cap. They're actually, I would say, large cap. Make short-term trades and put the profits into your coins that you hodl. Yes. Plan B has been pretty on point. Yes, he has. I'm sorry I missed your response about taking out a loan and 401k recommendation. I would not do that right now. No. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. I am on YouTube. Oh, no, he doesn't comment on SHIB? Oh, no, you guys. I don't comment on SHIB, except I've commented on it for this is the 5th time that I'm commenting on SHIB. So do it in the bear market, Anthony. Should I bother with Bitcoin if I only have a couple thousand, or just do altcoins? You should buy some Bitcoin. Just buy and hold your Bitcoin. But yeah, do altcoins. If ETH 2.0 gets delayed again, will you reduce your prediction of 15,000 for a bit? No, that prediction for ETH is irrespective of what's up, Pablo Cruz, of the ETH 2.0, because ETH 2.0 got delayed until the middle of 2022 now. So price prediction for Ren, I don't have one. AVAX, $300 or so. What do you think about SHIB? I haven't been on. I think it's gonna triple from here. So, and that's about it. Did you hear Binance algorithms lag? Bitcoin dropped like 10K. Yes, I heard that. Yep. What should I do after the first year of the bear market? What to buy and get? Whale, I am working on a program. It's going to cost $27, a bear market buying guide, and I would strongly recommend it. And I think I'm going to be done with it within about 2 weeks. So the first thing in December, if Bitcoin peaks, here's a preview for my bear market buying guide. If Bitcoin peaks in December of this year, I think it's going to go down to its 200-week simple moving average around $50,000 is where I think that 200-week simple moving average is going to get to. So I'm going to buy a lot of Bitcoin at that time. I'm going to buy some Litecoin for short-term gains, and I'm going to buy some Ethereum as well. Yeah, Doc, I love fear. Oh no, the sky is falling, guys. Oh no, why did it dump? Oh, BTS, I'm not going to make fun of you. Sorry. You're a good guy. It's the leveraged longs are getting squeezed out again, and hallelujah for that. ETH falls to what levels after run? Maybe like 3,000 or so. Some of these people on TikTok should be banned. The advice they give can really hurt someone financially. I appreciate your honesty. Thank you. I will try to do well the rest of the way. For those of you who are not following me on TikTok, I'm live on TikTok right now. I see 400 of you in here. You've got to be following me. You've got to be following me. I have been on point since July. The only thing that I've missed is I didn't think we would cross that all-time high yet, but I didn't factor in that ETF. But right now, we're back on track to where I think things would be. So thank you, BTO. You're always on my lives. Yeah. He won't talk about SafeMoon. My goodness. Yes, I've talked plenty about SafeMoon. It's garbage. I don't think it's garbage. It is garbage. It's like I don't look at my garbage can and say that I think that's garbage. I declare that is garbage. So, my goodness. Anyway, that was a little dramatic. Sorry about that. Should I get NFTs? No, not right now. In the bear market. Why is it good leverage longs being squeezed out? Because market makers want to make the most amount of money. They want to make as much money as possible. And the way that they do that is liquidating people. So if people are more short than long, they will do things, Bitcoin, I do believe regardless is going to go up to $200,000 this cycle. But they're going to make money. So yeah, thank you, Technically Fundamental. IOTEX prediction, I don't have one. Trias, I don't know enough, sorry. You're welcome, Anthony. So you recommend not buying any crypto next year? Well, listen, for long-term holds, let me revise this. For long-term holds, I would recommend not buying any crypto next year. But there are going to be plenty of short-term opportunities. So yes, I would recommend not buying for long-term next year, just waiting for it to go down. Orion Protocol, I don't know. Exit strategy, when things go like this, which, even if Bitcoin doesn't go like this, a lot of altcoins are going to go just like straight up. That's the time to exit. And I made a video on TikTok about it a few weeks ago, so check that out. All right, LTC still 10x? No, because I think it's at about $200, so it's more like a 7x from here or 7.5x. When do I buy ETH? Right now, or is it going down more? I think alts will bleed a little. No, you know what? No, I think ETH is at a good buying point right now. I have 11,000 coins HBAR. Should I sell anything or long-term hold, bro? You have 11,000. That's a decent amount. I think it's going to go to $2. You should sell some of it, maybe half of it. So how can I buy your bear market plan? I will be very clear about that. More VXV or quant VXV. In which case should we consider selling? I just mentioned that. Yeah, when things go parabolic. And watch my video from a few weeks ago. Would you rather buy NFTs or just Solana? Right now, just Solana. Cosmos prediction, $100. Scared money don't make money. There we go. Yeah. Don't rage quit like BitBoy. What did he rage? What, he rage quitted? What do you mean by that? Who is market maker? It's just people in charge. It's like, the platforms that offer liquidity, it's like they're the ones who they're in it to make money. So Bitcoin is still up 40% from last month. Some perspective, guys. Bitcoin is up $18,000 this month. Okay, it's the biggest green candle we've ever had, ever. You're saying Big Shib will triple, bro, man. And I think it's going to underperform the rest of the way. I wonder how Trias will do. I just don't know anything about it. Oh, 2 million supply. Oh, wow. I did not know that. Okay, good to know. Susie McNeely, thank you so much. Why hold Bitcoin? Why not sell all at the top, buy more next year when it bottoms out? I get that question 100 times a day. And I made a video about that on TikTok, and it's one of these things I am holding. All right, think about this. I'm going to go on a rant for a second. Sorry, so I'm not going to answer any questions. In the last 40 years, Bitcoin mining will stop. Eritrea, okay. Bitcoin mining will stop in the year 2140. The last 40 years, from the year 2100 to 2140, one Bitcoin is going to be mined. You heard me correctly. One Bitcoin is going to be mined, and it will be worth it. But not only will it be worth it, but nations will be mining. These mining companies right now will be pushed out because they're too small, and nations will be working to mine that one Bitcoin because that's how valuable that one Bitcoin is going to be. I own more than one Bitcoin. I own something that 100 years from now, people will spend 40 years, countries will spend 40 years mining. I don't want to sell my Bitcoin. Sorry. All right. I love you all. Nano price predictions. I don't know. I don't think it's going to go back to its all-time high. Jasmy, legit or scam? It might be. Well, I don't know anything about Jasmy, so I'm not sure. I like when people talk SHIB. They'll be the same ones who FOMO later into my coins. That's a great point. That's a great point. Thank you, Sam I, for those gifts. 500 to 1,000 into ETH or Litecoin. I mean, my answer is always going to be ETH on that. I have 20% of my portfolio in Link and Litecoin. Is that a good idea, or should I sell more? I think that's a good idea. How many years do you think the bear market will last? Until the next halving or so. 2024. When will BTT go to $1? I don't know, man. Maybe never. Honest thoughts on Hex. I just don't know. It's like, is it a scam? Is it not? I own some Hex. I made a video about that. I just don't know. So how many years do you, all right, let's see, got you. So when I take profits from my short-term alts this cycle, you recommend stablecoins or fiat until ETH and Bitcoin become cheaper? Yeah, stablecoins. Stablecoins, stake your stablecoins, you'll do well. So Polkadot, $200, XRP, $8 to $10, Solana, $600, AMP, Cartesi, Compound. Don't know enough about Cartesian Compound, AMP to 50 cents. Is it okay to buy Litecoin right now? Yeah, I bought some Litecoin today. I scraped some money together, bought some Litecoin. Do you feel Chainlink is ready to pump? Chainlink's been really slow. I don't know if Chainlink will ever pump. Yeah, it'll go up. Wait to load for the next halving till 2023. There's different strategies. So I'll talk about that. Thank you, Sam. Let's see. VXV keeps going down. Everyone says now's a good time to buy, but it has such a low volume trade. Is it better to get DAG rather than VXV? I think they're both fine. And listen, yeah, VXV is going to be fine. Do you think governments lost hopes to destroy control of crypto and bought in July deep? No, I don't think it's on their radar enough yet. So when will Matic pump? November and January. 600 more views on your TikTok. Oh yeah, I always get more viewers on TikTok than on YouTube. Yeah, but I am live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Digs at Australia. Yes, love you even more. Yeah. According to predictions, this month will be more of a straight line from now on, right? Yes, Bagir. Yep. If yes, what can you expect to do better? I don't know what you're saying. Hello, Trump Rules 67. Bought 4K quant at 388. Should I just sell and into Litecoin? No. Quant's going to do fine. I mean, maybe sell some, but Alex, thank you. Appreciate your lives. Thank you. Thank you, Kronos Midas. What is the best stable coin on Coinbase? They're not great on Coinbase. Go on somewhere like Celsius, in my opinion. Say something about Doge, for crying out loud. I think Doge is going to $1, maybe. So go to somewhere like Celsius or PancakeSwap or Anchor and get better returns on your stable coins. Converted my Cardano to Litecoin because ADA never moves. You might regret that at some point. So let's see. Man, I want to get off this live stream and buy really badly, but I'll wait. Solana end of year, January, $600 or so. ETH prediction next 2 months. Cross the all-time high in November. Go to maybe like 8,000 or 9,000 in December. Converted my, yeah, all right. Do you think Robinhood will add any other cryptos before the end of the year? Before the end of the year, I don't think so, but I think over the next few years, yes. Thank you again, Sam. Some experts say we're going to the bear market in December. I mean, what do you mean by that? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December. Don't my customers know you are live? So let's see. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. I cannot answer every, I'm not sure what you're saying, PD Properties. I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. Do you really think that BTT will go to $1? I said no, I don't. Good morning, Evil D. What's up, man? J Con, hello. Luna year-end price, $100 end of cycle, January or so. You will buy crypto in bear market in 2023. Oh yeah, Jojo. I will be buying lots of crypto in 2023. So what am I going to buy today? I'd buy some Litecoin. What crypto tax like for you, Alex? In UK, it's 10% for most and 20% for people with higher income. For short-term trades, it counts as my income, and so it can end up being pretty miserable. So, what am I going to buy today? I already answered that. I'm probably going to buy some options on Marathon, not the oil company, but the crypto miner. So. Let's see. Do you think Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved by the end of the year? Ooh, maybe. I really hope so. Buying a Bitcoin at current value instead of chasing profits and holding for 5-10 years, how profitable would that be in your opinion? 5 years, I think it's going to peak in 2025 at $1 million or so. 10 years, 2.5 million maybe. So 28% short-term capital gains. There we go. Already looking forward to the bear market. What's your bear market price for Solana? Lower than where it is now. Somewhere in the hundreds, 100 to 200. Some might put it all in ETH. I think they're both going to be equal with their gains. So do you think Internet Computer will pump? Yeah, but not back to its opening day price. So thoughts on nodes like OHM, Strong Climate? I don't know enough about any of those. Let's see. Good afternoon, Robert. Thoughts on SushiSwap and Aave? All right, Aave and Avalanche have partnered. That's very bullish, I think. I think Aave is going to 4 figures at least. Too late to get in DOT. I'd hold off a little bit on DOT right now until November. Any buys? I think Bitcoin's going to be flat for the rest of the month, and alts are going to bleed a little, either be flat or bleed. So you have some time, I think, to buy. What do you think about Anchor and MTV? Anchor, let's say OHM. I don't know enough about OHM. Anchor is going to exist for a long time, in my opinion. So don't know about Blocktopia or Spell. I love Cake. Cake is my 3rd biggest holding, I think, and I'm staking it at those insane staking gains. So yeah, I love Cake. But Anchor's going to exist for a long time. I could see it maybe going up to $1 this cycle, but we'll see. MTV, don't know enough, but yeah. Cashed out a DOT today with a huge gain from February and then bought Quant once again. I think that's a great call. When you're taking profits on alts several times on the way up, but in January I'll sell all my alts except for a handful. I've been a long time holder and I peaked around September 7th. I was hoping to be over my peak at this point, but definitely not panicking. You peaked. How did you peak on September 7th, but not now? Over 120K Quant, do you think we'll pass $400 in a year? Oh yeah, Quant for sure. No guarantees on anything, but I think Quant will do that. Let's see. Bear market price for Bitcoin around $50,000. You sounds have something for repeating questions. You guys, something. Am I dumb for buying even more crypto today? You are smart for buying more crypto today. You are not. You are not dumb. Got my parents in on shorting crypto and crypto-related stocks after the bull market. There we go, Sully. Grayscale just filed to convert GBTC to a true spot ETF. They did, yeah. Will it happen? I hope so. What's going to pump today? I don't know. I don't think there's going to be much pumping for the rest of the month. Let's see. Matic or DOT at current price? Matic. DOT's pumped a lot. So where to learn how to stake? My Voyager code, ALE749. ALE749. All right. On my YouTube channel, you're going to have to look down for it. World War Bitcoin. You got to hop over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I did make a video about how to stake on PancakeSwap. At least it's different for each cryptocurrency. So Radix, don't know enough about Radix. Sorry. Why is it good to buy? Isn't it at all-time highs? I mean, that's Niger Nuts. That's an interesting name. I think Bitcoin's going to $200,000. at the bull market peak, which is happening soon. And so, you know, we got up to all-time highs at $67,000. Now we're a little under $61,000, and I think we're going to pump. So do you know Crypto Burb on Twitter? He's also bullish on Litecoin. I do know him. I don't know if I follow him, but I know who he is. And follow me on Twitter as well, WW Bitcoin. Will be nice if alts bleed a bit. There's some cores I want to get into. Yeah, sure. Auction, don't know enough. Do I hold any quant? Yeah, I have plenty of quant. I mean, not a ton of quant. I wish I had more. If ETH is going to bleed, why would I buy today? It's either going to be flat or it's going to bleed. I don't think it's going to go down that much lower. So I think it's good to nibble away at, because what if I'm wrong? I mean, when you ask a question like that, it sounds like you think that I'm going to be perfect on everything that I say, or like that's a fact that's going to happen, and there's no guarantees. So Lucci the Gucci, I'm down 8K. I'm scared. Should I hold? Yes, you should hold. Any end of cycle predictions for one? No, I don't know. All right. Yeah, I don't have a prediction for one. Do you think ETH will pull back to 35? 3,500 sounds a little bit too low. So no. Best altcoin to put 1K in right now. Litecoin or ETH. Lost in VThor token price. I don't have one. Higher. What do I think about Ethereum Classic? It'll go up with Ethereum, and it'll outperform Ethereum on the way up and then on the way down. It's a good short-term play. I hope your guy doesn't get too technical for crypto tards like me. No, it won't be all that technical at all. I think you'll like it. So, I mean, I've made 6 videos so far. I'm going to launch it when I get to 25 videos. So, Litecoin prediction, $1,500, but not at the end of the year. How little can you buy to stake cake? I don't know. Not a ton. Moon River, I don't know anything about Moon River or Sun. FTT, I like FTT. It might be the best possible competitor to Binance, either that or Crypto.com. So yeah, I don't have any predictions though. Will DOT go far 5 years time? Yeah. The graph, don't know enough. Why invest in Bitcoin when alts pump more? Because you're not going to be able to time the peaks. And you should I'm not saying put all of your money in Bitcoin. You should put some. But anyway, I should do a weekly newsletter. Yeah, I might do that sometime. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I have a crazy weekend in front of me. My wife is leaving town for the evening. She's going to be back tomorrow night. It's me and my 4 oldest kids. And I gotta run. I wish that I could spend more time on here, but Bitcoin's going up. Can you talk about where Bitcoin's going? It's going to go up. But subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on TikTok, WW Bitcoin, and Instagram, World War Bitcoin. Twitter, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. All right, Robert, last question. Quant, Bitcoin, ETH, XRP are my top holds with ICP, AMP, Filecoin all behind them. Should I cash everything out when the top gets close to blowing and rebuy during the bear market? I think you should hold on to some of your Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all I will say. Good luck. Yeah. Good luck with my 4 oldest kids. We're probably going to watch some Pacific Rim and have some what's it called? Some cereal tomorrow. Some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And we're going to party like it's 1999. All right, I'm done. Thank you all so much for your time. Yeah, follow me on all platforms. YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. All right, see you all.